Hello guys, good morning. We're going to Abu Dhabi with my friends Mr. Joel Dulo and Estelito David to attend the wedding of my friend Totonil Paro. Abu Dhabi is a beautiful place. Hello guys, how are you today? Fine, good. Kaisa hai bhai? Marhaba. Welcome to my vlog guys, Yorme 23. You know this place guys? This is a mosque in Abu Dhabi. Christian Church, Abu Dhabi. This is the picture of my friend Neil and Jen wedding. Guys, this is the hotel of my friend, Le Meridian Hotel. 5-star. Guys, my friend Joel Dulo in the house. Michael De La Peña in the house. Sige, doon kayo. And King David, wine expert.
Si Joel ng blue pill o red pill?
Ha?
Blue pill o red pill? Matrix eh oh.
Matrix ang formahan ng friend ko, si Joel Dulo. Hello to all DDF staff.
Boss
Ship
Sunday,
A,
how are you?
Ship B, Ship C,
Stay safe,
and
boss,
Ship D.
Stay healthy always.
And to all Transguard security, to all my friend.
Abu Dhabi sa ano.
Shout out Estong TV, AI Duo, RB Timbang, Katropang Miguel, Paring Albert, Menjil, Sandro, and Cooks.
Shout out din sa kumpare ko ng Wine Advisor, Estelito David. Kaya nasaan ka man ngayon? Ingat palagi.
This is Abu Dhabi area guys.
Malayo pa pala. 9.6 km. May bike na pa sila dito.
Congrats sa friend ko Neil and Jenny. Happy wedding, best wishes and more power. Shout out for you Mr. Joen from Bulgari and Katropang Miguel and Loverboy. We're going to Carrefour. We buy food with Joel and David. This is Marina Mall of Abu Dhabi. This is my friend.
May sakop pa namin ito. Ay, uniform namin, no?
David and Joel.
Woolworths.
Woolworth.
Ayun.
Sales, parang sales assistant din.
Parang ano yun. Sales assistant talaga ako.
Bago ka nag-duty free.
Diba ito?
We're talking about the traffic rules in
Rekta
Abu
agad
Dhabi.
yun, wala nang ano yun, yung violation mo, yun na yun.
Pare,
Oo.
rekta yun.
Most important when you are driving
Wala nang
here,
warning yun.
Okay.
you need to control the speed limit because the penalty is very
Pwede
expensive.
pa nga. Basta pwede ka pa mag-class 10. Oo.
Pag ginawa mo yung post
Pag 80 ka lang. Kaya nga ang baba. Kapag ngayon, ang baba ko, 80, si 70 takbo ko.
This is Victoria's Secret Shop, Abu Dhabi.
Saan ka? We are here in Carrefour, Abu Dhabi.
Japanese food.
Carrefour, Abu Dhabi.
May inaanak si the pretty boy.
Of course, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to have a moment as we are about to welcome the most beautiful woman here tonight, Mrs. Cara. Anything that you would like to say to everybody who came here? Thank you.
This is Tina and Dexter. This is my friend Rick and Michael de la Peña. Hello to all my managers in Dubai Duty Free. Stay safe. Always take care. And God bless. Please subscribe. Yorme 23. Thank you very much.